Good morning, students. The very first thing I want to congratulate you all that you are already well prepared for your examination. There are few tips, there are few strategies by which you can excel in board examination. The very first thing, believe in yourself. By believing in yourself, you are assuring that whatever hard work you have put in the preparation, you are confident about it that yes, I will be writing my exams in good and positive manner and with full preparation. Stay focused, and whenever you are studying, please try to sit on table and chair and do your preparations, because your mind is able to remember all the things how you are preparing. Stay focused, do revisions, stay healthy, take care of your eating timetable schedule. Don't eat very spicy and oily food, and try to consume more vegetable, salad, and food which makes you more active. Please follow a daily routine. A systematic daily routine will definitely give you added advantage. Thorough revision is required. Try to consult your teachers whenever it is required. Try to clarify your doubts. Be in touch with them. Be attentive. Try to find out what's new is there. So with these kind of things, you will be able to definitely score better. Strategic preparation is required to score good. And one thing more, it's an exam only. Nothing to think about it. Nothing to bother about it. It's just an exam in which I am 100% sure you will excel. I wish you all the best for your board examination. Take care of yourself. Have a nice day.
Good morning, my class 10th and 12th. As you're all getting ready for your board exams, which are only 1.5 months away, my best wishes to each one of you in your preparation time. Use your time judiciously, have a timetable to follow, giving equal weightage to each and every subject, because they will combined make up your percentage. Also, as in revision of one of the subject, start attempting sample papers. This is my core advice, or the best advice, or the hat trick, that you should attempt your sample paper between 10:30 to 1:30, so that you are used to writing during the board exam. And do eat well, take enough rest as well, and do talk to your family members and teachers and share how you are doing every day preparation.
Dear students, these board exams are not only an academic journey, but also an emotional roller coaster. In all cases, no matter, always remember that this is your high of learning and wisdom. During these exams, give your best and have faith in yourself. Through all times, always remembering that your teachers and your school is always there for you. Wishing you all the best for your board examination and the journey that lies ahead. Thank you.
Hello students, today I am going to tell you how to prepare for board examination in mathematics. Maths is a subject. I know that it is really fearful to you, but I am today tell you how you will prepare about it. First of all, you have to pay attention on MCQ questions, because these are the questions in which the teachers are not having scope to give you the marks. So, if you want to prepare your MCQ questions, go through CBSE sites. There are many PDFs available for you for practicing MCQ. One more thing, one formula you have to keep in your mind, that in which class you read upon 2 is equal to number of study hours. So, you are in grade 10. 10 upon 2 is equal to 5. So please give 5 hours to your studies, and I know you will rock to your examinations. Thank you and all the best in advance.
मेरे प्यारे बच्चे, सबसे पहले तो तुम्हें बोर्ड की परीक्षाओं में ऑल द बेस्ट। और तुम जानते हो कि हिंदी तो हम रोज़मर्रा की बातों में यूज़ करते हैं, और हिंदी एक ऐसा विषय है जिसे हम बहुत आसानी से तैयार कर सकते हैं। हिंदी से तुम्हें कभी डरना नहीं है और हिंदी पढ़ने के लिए तुम्हें कम से कम 5 से 6 घंटे तक पढ़ना पड़ेगा। अब तुम्हें पता है कि सबसे पहले तुम्हारे बोर्ड का पेपर ही हिंदी का है, तो इसलिए सबसे पहले तुम अपने हर लेसन को अच्छे से तैयार करो, अपने MCQ मजबूत बनाओ। और जैसा तुम जानते हो कि शिक्षा एक ऐसा हथियार है जिससे तुम अपनी दुनिया बदल सकते हो, इसलिए तुम्हें बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ना है, बहुत अच्छे से नंबर लाना है। ठीक है मेरे प्यारे बच्चों, बाय बाय।
My dear students, I have a dream today. I have a dream that history will be created this year. These board exams are going to be a glorious testimony for all of you. This is my hope, this is my faith, and belief that I have in your potential and capabilities. With this faith, we will be able to work together, pray together, struggle together, to stand up together, knowing that after this whole journey, we will be able to write off our names in the history of mankind forever. There are going to be moments when you will feel demotivated, helpless, full of fear. In those moments, just remember one thing, that you are not alone and you will never walk alone. We are there for you. I am there for you. Shoulder to shoulder, every moment, every step, no matter what the circumstances, but you are not going to fall back. You will move ahead no matter what obstacles will come in your path. That is my faith in all of you. I have seen in you the determination, the grit, the fire to win. So let the history be made this year. Let it be remembered forever, as said by Winston Churchill, that this was their finest hour. All the best and God bless you all.
Dear students, as we all know that your board exams are near, so you all must be tensed, even some of you must be excited. There's a bit mix of emotions, but don't be nervous. We, the teachers and the principal now, we all are with you. Please stay focused and never lose your hope. We all are there with you. Just create a study plan, be focused, and just solve the previous year questions and practice the sample papers. Accordingly, manage your time and you will definitely rock. All the very best for your future, because you have to create yourself a version of your journey. So all the very best and good luck.
Hello my dear students, this is Sakarbans, your mathematics mentor. Present here to give you some tips on your board exams. As you all know, board exams are approaching. Some might be nervous and some might be excited. So I just want to give you some tips. First of all, lower usage of mobile phones. Stay away with the mobile phones. No TV, no OTT platforms, and especially uninstall all the apps which are not related to your studies. You have to be healthy. Eat healthy food, no junk food, because if you will be healthy, you will do good in the exams. Always remember one thing, we all are with you. So don't get pressurized, don't get overexerted. Believe in yourself, because we all trust you and you will do best in your exams. So in the end, I just want to wish you all the best for your board exams. God bless you all.
Hello my dear students, do you know that there is a tiny seed inside each one of you, waiting to grow into a big tree? Yes, you are full of incredible potential and you can become anything, yes, anything you want in this world. Every big journey starts with small steps. The tallest building starts with a brick. A tree begins with small seeds and your dream begins now from right here. You have the power of curiosity, imagination, endless energy. You ask a question, explore the world, dream big, and believe in magic. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Every mistake you make is a learning, a step towards your growth. Like the tortoise in the story, it is not always the fastest who wins race, but the ones who never gives up. So, never stop trying, never stop learning, and never stop dreaming. I believe in each and every one of you. Remember, the world full of magic. You just have to believe in yourself, believe in you. So, believe in your dreams and watch miracles happen. So at the last, फिक्र मत कर बंदे, कलम कुदरत के हाथ है, लिखने वाले ने लिख दिया, तकदीर तेरे साथ है. फिक्र करता है क्यों, फिक्र से होता है क्या, रख खुद पर भरोसा और देख फिर होता है क्या। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
लहरों से डरकर कभी नौका पार नहीं होती, लहरों से डरकर कभी नौका पार नहीं होती, और कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती। बच्चन जी की ये कविता आप सभी ने सुनी है। कविता काफ़ी पुरानी है लेकिन नित नई प्रेरणा का संचार करने वाली है, हमारे जीवन को बहावों से भरने वाली है, हमें सफलता की तरफ ले जाने वाली है। प्रिय विद्यार्थियों, जैसा आप सभी जानते हैं हमारी परीक्षाएं नज़दीक हैं और हमारा मन कहीं ना कहीं डर रहा है, क्या हम अच्छा करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे। डेफिनेटली यू विल डू, आप बहुत अच्छा करेंगे। अपने अंदर एक सकारात्मक सोच रखिए, उसके लिए प्लानिंग करिएगा। तो वो क्या हो सकता है कि कुछ बच्चे आजकल स्ट्रेस ले रहे हैं कि कैसे होगा कैसे नहीं होगा। कोई बात नहीं, समय अभी आपके पास है, समय अभी आपके हाथ से नहीं गया है। अगर आप आज भी एक अच्छी तकनीक से अच्छी स्ट्रैटेजी बनाकर, अच्छा प्लान बनाकर अपनी परीक्षाओं की तैयारी करते हैं तो आज भी आप बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं। सबसे पहले अपने सिलेबस को एक बार ध्यान से देखिए। हमें करना क्या है, सिलेबस को ध्यान देखना है, क्योंकि कुछ पुरानी जो हमारी बुक्स हैं उससे देख के हम कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि क्या हमारे सिलेबस में आ रहा है और क्या नहीं आ रहा है। सिलेबस को एक साइड में लिख कर के रख लीजिएगा। उसके बाद जो भी हमारे पुराने क्वेश्चन पेपर हैं, प्रैक्टिस पेपर हैं, उनको 4 से 5 बार आप करें। 4 से 5 बार आप करेंगे तो आपको ये पता होगा, ये आइडिया हो जाएगा कि सीबीएसई जो है किस तरीके के प्रश्नों को आपसे पूछता है। दूसरी बात, जो चीज़ें ऑप्शनल हैं, जैसे हिंदी में देखा है हमने, अगर आपकी लेखन क्वेश्चन में 6 चीज़ें आ रही हैं और केवल आपको 4 ही करनी है तो केवल आपको 4 पे फोकस करना है, ना कि 6 पे फोकस करना है। इस तरीके से आपको हार्ड वर्क करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, केवल स्मार्ट वर्क करिएगा और स्मार्ट वर्क के थ्रू आप बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं। अभी सभी चीज़ें हमारे पास हैं, हम बहुत अच्छा कर सकते हैं। हमारी शुभकामनाएं, हमारा आशीर्वाद सदैव आपके साथ है। आप सफलता के पथ पर अग्रसर रहें।